Hey everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope everybody's doing well. And today we got one for the ages. The ages by meaning this right here, this is my wife's 2011, mid-2011 MacBook Air. It's got 440,000 miles on it. Only driven to church one day. No, I'm kidding. It's been dropped 300 times. It's been dog licked. It's had food and drink spilled in it. It has had an awful life, and all it's had is one battery and one I/O board changed out. Now it's had 15 power adapters because she just rips the power cord off of it, and after me telling her not to, and she does anyways. And so I've got a spare power adapter down here for it. But we bought this in 2011, brand new, and it has been a phenomenal machine. It's only got 4 gigs of RAM. It's got an i5. It's got a 256 gig SSD. But I can't upgrade it anymore unless I use a bootloader or something like that. And I don't want to do that, this being her machine. You know, if it was something for me playing with and stuff, it'd be fine. But I want it to, when she opens it up, it works every time. And for a Mac, a stock Mac computer, it works every time. I mean, I've had this one, I've had 4 or 5 others. One thing I do have, I have this. This is a 2004 Mac Mini. 2004. If I were to plug the power into it, it would run. This thing still runs. I bought it brand new in 2004 after I got sick of my Windows machine not working with a digital camera, and I've had it ever since. And I plug it up every once in a while just for the heck of it to make it work. Macs just work. I know there's a lot of Windows people out there that tell me I'm stupid, but if you write Windows software for a living, you get sick of a Windows computer and you want something that just works. I got my MacBook Air sitting right over here, just purring right along. So, that all being said, this box came today. This is a 2020 M1 MacBook Air. So we got Mother's Day and our anniversary coming up next week. Thought I'd do something for her. Since I can't upgrade this anymore, I'm afraid of the security concerns, and it's getting a little long in the tooth. You know, the trackpad's not working like it should, and stuff. And I thought I'd take care of her and buy her this. So I'm gonna pull the camera down on top of us and show you what I bought. Alright, so in the box, most Apple packaging comes like this. So you got a little rip-off thing here. Let me get you all the way back out. Raise you up a little bit more. Alright, here we go. So all the Apple packaging has this little pull strap. Now, I generally buy refurbished, but I could not find a refurbished Air, a base model Air, so I had to buy one, but it still was not very much more than a normal, than a refurbished. So I did get Apple Care, so everything in the box. That's it. Let me go here, and this is the standard Apple packaging. This is the 8 gigs of unified memory, 256 gig SSD, 13-inch M1, 7-core GPU. I have the 7-core GPU because it really doesn't matter. My machine does have 16 gigs and a 1 terabyte, but I'm more of a power user than anything else. Now, my mother-in-law, we bought her one, same box, and she loves it. It works great. There should be a pull. Here it is. Okay, there's a little pull tab right here where you, well, that was okay. Got that. Let me open the box. Now I'm gonna do a migration from her old Air to this one. I'll make a second video on that. This is just unboxing. Nothing here. They always put a pull tab so you can pull it up. Got that. In the box we have the, should be stickers and a little quick start guide. So there's the quick start guide. Safety regulatory stuff. There's the stickers. And that's it. So we have a 30-watt USB-C power adapter. Got the little USB-C here. And then we have the really nice power cable that we're going to plug into it. Both of them USB-C on both ends. Never have a problem out of this. It plugs in good. Have no problem with it whatsoever. On the Air itself, good peel experience. Look at that. Love, you know, everybody says it's getting kind of dated. I love the unibody MacBook Air. MacBook Pro, whatever. I mean, I love the design. This machine has two Thunderbolt 4 ports, USB-C, and one headphone jack. And let's see what it does when you do this. It makes the beautiful chime. The speakers on this machine are impressive. It boots up and says hello. So, in about 300 languages. So, alright, that is the unboxing and showing you what the M1 MacBook Air has. My next video will be migrating the data from the old Air to the new one, making sure everything's set up right. We're going to install Microsoft 365 on it because she does use Outlook and Excel and Word and all that stuff like we do on everything else. So we will install that, get everything set up the way she likes it, and hopefully we're running another 10 years on it, I hope. 10, 11. This one's been an absolute beast for 11 years. It's took a beating and kept on ticking. Hope I don't get a copyright strike for that. But anyway, if you hadn't subscribed to the channel, appreciate you doing that. Hope you liked the video. Got any questions? Ask them to me. Ask me the questions. I'll try to answer them best I can.
Press the return key.
Well, thank you. So anyway, hope everybody's having a great day and a great week. And until the next video, thanks for watching.